Hello, everybody. We are here at the IMA Schelling open house during the Woodworking Technology Days 2025. I'm here with Christian. He's the product expert for the Novimat Compact, and he's giving us an explanation in regards to this machine, which is highly technical. So I'll let the expert speak.
Okay, hello everybody. This machine is a coil system machine. That means that you can apply only edge bending and roller, the PVC, not the HPL, but PVC, PP, or other plastic band, and you apply this with a glue system like EVA or PUR.
Okay.
Okay. This one right now has the electronic control on every section of the machine, so you don't have to adjust. Any mechanical adjustment is not needed, and the machine can change the program on the fly. So that means you have different color of tape, but also different thickness of tape. You can control that from the operator control desk, and you see here. Same for the thickness of the tape, but also for the board thickness, you can change the opening of the machine, but then you have to empty the machine to do that change, and start with a new board thickness. This is sorry. This is a machine that runs 3 thickness of tape in the tooling section. I mean, by that, chamfer, radius 1, 2, or 3, or 1, 1.5, and 2, depending on the choice of tooling that you have. And you can then run in full automatic mode and have this back-to-back different thickness of edge band, and just go and keep doing the apply of the edge band on the board.
So basically, what you're saying is this machine is highly flexible in regards to the manufacturing requirements, right?
It what we call in the industry lot size 1 machine.
Okay.
To do very small batch, but with very high efficiency, and this machine is built for that. With electronic, you can control the change and less than 300 millimeter between each board. Wow. In the machine. So this is one of the good reasons to buy a machine like that. This machine runs between 20 and 25 meter, the feet of the machine. All the machine is set up to be able to work in that range of speed. Most of the people are using a return system to bring the part to the operator, and with a return system, again, you're good to go at 20, 25 meter. Over that, it's possible. We have machine at 30 meter or so, but it's more difficult to control the return system at 30 meter. So this one is 25 right now, and also those machines apply the tape at high precision, but it means high quality. No glue line visible. The board at the end is very clean. It's ready to be used by the assembly line. So you don't need to add more time to clean the glue or whatever. You don't have that. You have all the system. There's 4 stations of cleaning on that machine, or cleaning of anti-stick or whatever, to make the board at the end very clean and ready to use.
So for some people actually who are not familiar with edge benders, maybe we can go through the different steps.
Yeah.
And because obviously some of them are really some edge benders, they come with basic steps like cutting and trimming, and then basically polishing, and that's it. But this one is obviously a little bit more sophisticated in regards to what the capabilities are. So maybe you can guide us a little bit through the processing steps.
But first, you have the in-feed area, where the fence, where you push the material in the machine, is with a fence with electronic setup. So that means if you have a 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter, the fence is moving to be at the right position to remove the correct amount of material before applying the edge band. After that, you have the station for the calibration, with electronic horizontal positioning also. So that means there's two cutting head of 125 or 150 millimeter with the diamond tool that cleans the the glue line before applying the edge band. You have a heating area just to preheat the board to avoid the glue to seize, because if the board is cold, then the glue doesn't penetrate the wood correctly. So to avoid that, we have this heating system. The guillotine to cut the edge band after it's applied. You have the six track in feed system with one free track also. That means this one is to repair mode or whatever you need it. You don't have to empty the six other track. You use the free one.
So you also explained to me off camera that you can actually upgrade this to 96 different colors.
Not in that category of machine, but you can go from 2, 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 48, and 96 Coiled magazine with different category of the machine, because you need more room to have a 96. But yes, you can go up to 96.
So this would be ideal for manufacturers actually who have a lot of product or color variety.
Yeah.
Probably in the kitchen industry.
Yeah, kitchen industry, like a customer in Europe, you see Cuisine Smith in France or Nobilia in Germany. They have this kind of setup with 96 color on the machine, because they have so many colors to manage. That's the case.
So in regards to the glue system, you mentioned you can run EVA and PUR on it.
Yeah, this machine doesn't have the pre-melter for the PUR right now, but it's ready for. And you can switch from the glue pot is the same. You just clean the glue pot and you put the correct glue you want to use, the system of glue like PUR or EVA. It's two different. The PUR is more permanent glue line, and it's more let's say it's the material is more liquid when you apply it. It's more the glue is thinner. Let's say a glue line with EVA will be 8,000, 0.8 millimeter or 8,000, I think, and the PUR will be half of that, 4,000. So it's a very small amount of glue, but very strong also. So.
Yeah, I think the PUR glue is a thermoset. Basically, once it is cured,
when the curing time of the PUR after 24 hours, for example, it's solid. You know,
it's a mechanical bond. Right?
You cannot reactive with a heat gun, for example, the PUR. The EVA, it's be possible to heat it and remove it. You know,
right.
But PUR, no, it's waterproof and more resistant for bacteria and stuff like that. So they use it for commercial use and kitchen, and also laboratories and stuff like that.
Healthcare systems.
Yeah.
And, yeah. Exactly. Okay, and then the next step after the gluing is?
After that is a end trimming. It's to cut the front and back of the board, overhang in the front and the back. It's with the this section here, and also give an angle. And sometime if you have a four-side edge band, you have to make a little angle to make it not too sharp. And,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
You have the top and bottom trimming station. And you have the KFA that do the front and the back of the board. When you do four side, you have to make the radius on the front panel. And if you take an example like this section here, you have to make the radius. This unit is doing that. This one and this one.
Yeah, we saw it earlier in action, and it's quite remarkable how it actually moves with the panel. direction, and then it does basically the counter rounding at the same time.
Yeah, it's a very, very, let's say it's spectacular because it's very quick movement, and this technology has been developed by IMA almost 15 years back now, and it's available in two different sizes. This one is the small one at 25 meter, and there's another one that goes up to 35 meter. And if you double the unit, you go to 50 meter feed.
Okay.
In the feed direction, so it's very, very, very fast. And when you look at this, you almost think it's the video is going fast, quick. Yeah. But it's not the case. It's just the machine is the unit is very quick. After that, you have the profile scraper that remove the cutting mark on the edge band. The glue scraper.
Yeah.
Also, it remove if there's anything, but most of the time with PUR you don't have an excess glue. And buffer, cleaning station, and the smoothing unit that give back the glossy, shiny, of the edge band, or when it's a dark color, sometimes it's turning gray.
Right.
You remove you're bringing the color to the right level. So
yeah, I think it's called stress whitening in edge bending, right?
Yeah, okay.
Basically, the edge bending is stressed, and then heat can actually, whether you applied friction heat or external heat with a blower.
It's not a blower. It's a
heat bar.
It's a ball, like a ball bearing.
Oh, ball bearing. Okay.
Okay, just vibrating on the board, and it's reactivate the color and the glossy side of the effect.
And then I also noticed that you have different spray bottles here located
we have
along the process. So what are they for?
Some are to avoid the heat to glue and remove the protection foil like that.
Okay.
Some, like this one, is a cleaning. Mm-hmm. It's a cleaning agent before the glue scraper.
Yeah.
Because this is really for removing the glue if there's if you put too much glue. It's more with the AVA. You have more that problem with the AVA because the glue line is compressed and there's more glue, so there's more glue coming out. So you have to use that. With the PUR, most of the time you don't have any excess of glue. If you make the right control on the glue quantity, you don't have that. But it's there for that. It's that. And the other one are more anti-static to avoid the tracing shoe in the machine. There's roller in the. We don't see them too much, but here there's roller on the top and bottom.
Yeah.
And the heat sometimes make the roller stick to that. But with that liquid, we made it's like a cooling agent or a anti-static agent that avoid that to glue the and remove the tape.
So in regards to the machine, like who would be your client for, like which type of furniture would you sell this to? Kitchen
industry, home office industry. They all use this kind of edge band, and they have, like kitchen right now, it's most of the time they do 0.5 millimeter edge band or 1 millimeter. It's the trend is there right now. Office furniture, they do up to 2 millimeter, sometimes 2.5 or 3 millimeter they call also, and those machines are good and ready for that option. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for the overview and the expert opinion here. It's great to see, and well,
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.